Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday here from Octozi School of Shoemaking and Craft. In here, I take you how to improve your craft, taking you from the point at which you are to that point at which you desire to be. In this project, I want to show you how this comes to being. Oftentimes we look through our store and we're going to see how some sneakers, especially fabric finished like this, we wonder how it was all put together. In here, to get a project like this out, the major thing that is in here is a pattern. So if you want to get a finished project like this out, you have to develop yourself in drawing a wonderful pattern. So in this episode, I will be showing you how each segment of this was details sketched out, details to match up to what you can see right in here. How we sketch this on the last for the first time view is what you will be seeing in here. This, what you see in here, is just a short video that I extract out from my online, a full online course I have on lace up sneakers like this. Yes, I have a full course on this. I just have to extract this out for you to have a view of it to see how possible this is. So we want to sketch this on the last. That's what I'm going to be showing you right now. And if you like it, don't forget, go subscribe, like, and then follow the link to see the full course of this. Come with me and let's put every segment of this on the last. Right now we have this. So to start with, I'll come in here first and centralize it. Flexible tape here could do. Pick this. This will give me a straight line. So after I get this done, what I will be doing right now is to come here and start my sketching. To start with, I'm going to come this way. Okay. So at this point, I'm trying to get the frame, and at the same time, I'm meant to have the height and then walk around the height at the back too. Coming there, I then continue from what I've been sketching. At this point, I got the frame. So what I'm going to be doing is now, after I get the frame out, and I'm going to be having a flap. What we then need to do is, we're going to have it coming like this. Okay, now I have this. The frame is out. We have this. The flap is going to come this way. Okay, I haven't gotten the flap that way. You can come in here and sketch the same thing we have in here. Here. We have it in here. It's gonna come this way, like this. Okay, I've gotten the frame for the back out, and I've also gotten the frame for the front in here out. So here is the rough sketch. What we'll be doing right now is then to start trace it out so we can get a clear view of what we want to cut out. I come this way. Okay, right now I've marked this two out. At this point, since we get this out, what we'll be working out now is we're going to be working out. We have the base here, the flap here. We have the side this way. So what we'll be doing is that I will be using my pencil to create all the stitching lines where the stitches are going to be fixed. It's very, very important we indicate that in here just for our sketching purpose. So anybody laying their hands on this project can know where the stitching line is going to be. This is a sneakers. I used to come up with different stitches. Many of the stitches are sometimes decorative, up to this point. Okay, it's gonna stop in there, and then a stitch coming this way. After we sketch it out, the next thing I need is to use this to get our pattern out, which is going to lead me to draft the pattern and get it out, taking it away from the 3D format that it is right now to a 2D format for you to use. Thank you so much for watching today's time. Hope you like what you're saying. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. What you just watched is just an off course, all out of our full course we have on the platform. We have a full course of this project on our platform. Please, to get a focus of that, go, there's a link in the description of this video. Go in there and you will be navigated to where you can take a full course of this project. You know, subscribe on this channel, subscribe, and then don't forget to click the notification bell to get an update of a subsequent upload on this platform. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and whatever you do, never stop learning.